Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and tonight is going to be another vlog. I gotta clean out the lathe. That's gonna be a scary task, and there's a lot of chips everywhere, so I'm kinda scared to do that. You know, that whole do something every day that scares you, that's gonna be today, I guess, with that. I got some welding to do as well for this project. Bring you along for it, and let's see how tonight goes. I used to make stainless steel rings on this lathe here for a few people. I tried selling a few and stuff like that. One of the times I tried cleaning out the lathe was right after I finished making a stainless steel ring. Sorry, I grabbed pliers and I was pulling a bunch of the stuff out from behind the lathe, and it caught my finger and actually tore open my finger right from the base of the knuckle right up, and it caught on my nail and ripped through it. I'm a little scared about this. I'm going to be putting on my big heavy duty thick leather welding gloves. Got some buckets I'm going to try and stuff it into, so let's see how this goes, folks. Man, I gotta say, I definitely do not get around to this nearly as often as I should, and I normally put it off and put it off. But it's always so nice to be able to come into the shop and just know that it's clean. It's clean, and I got a bunch of the grinder dust swept off the ground. Alright, let's start turning this thing on and making more chips. Alright, so I finally figured out what I'm doing. The hot rolled steel, I completely forgot about this. It normally comes oval, so trying to turn hot rolled steel when I was trying to indicate it before was just basically wasting my time. I finally got it. I machined down the outside to a nice machine surface and now have it set up to 1/1000th of an inch within the 4-jaw chuck. Yeah, so it's about 8:30ish right now. I'm going to take a little break, go inside for dinner, and then I'm going to go upload the Viking sacks that I made. The video for that, I'm going to go upload it. I'll drop a link in the description down below. Anyways, I will be right back. I am back after a lovely dinner and going to keep machining on this cone. So this is going to take me a while, so let's just jump right back into it. Have this finally, after a long time, taken down to most of a cone. I just haven't popped it out, and I'm going to be probably machining this down a little bit further, but in the meantime, I cleaned this entire thing. Relatively spotless. The amount of chips is insane. Like, that's crazy. Anyways, let's clean it up. So I switched over to do the welding that I have to do tonight. I got it all lined up, all set up, squared, and whatnot. Just gonna go turn on the welder, and then gonna start stick welding this together. So. So far tonight I managed to get this tube welded on, a few things drilled into it, as well as this cone almost entirely machined. Just waiting to hear back on a few things about this before I continue on it, but so far I'd say that's pretty darn good for 2.5 hours-ish. So thank you guys for coming along tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't really too much in depth, but definitely got some things made for tonight, and can definitely start moving on. Hopefully next time I'm out I'll be able to hook up some more propane fittings for the propane forge, and I'll bring you guys along for that too, to show you what I'm doing with those. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, comment down in the comment section down below as to what you thought. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. That would help me out a lot. And other than that, see you in the next one. Have a good day.